Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're here for the first time, I'm your girl Katashi, and today we're going to make some chicken wings. So we'll be making rum and wine chicken wings, and the wine and the rum that I'll be using today is J.Wray and Red Label wine. So they're already mixed together like this. Over here we have some sweet chili, homemade sweet chili sauce, 1 egg, flour and cornstarch, ketchup, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, orange seasoning, and paprika. So before I started to flame, I added some ground seasoning on this, just a little. So we're going to now go in with our other seasonings like this. And we're going to give this a mix. So before I forget, this is actually called golden syrup. You can either buy this or make it yourself. So we're now going to add our 1 egg. And now give it a mix like this. So you see that lovely color? Yes. After we've combined all the seasonings together, we're just going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. If you have the option to let this sit for overnight, then that's fine too. You'll get the best results if you let it sit for overnight, but I'm not going to let this sit for overnight. We're just going to let this sit for about. We're just going to let this sit for 15 minutes in the refrigerator, and then we'll come back. So over here we have our flour and our cornstarch, and we're just going to add a little orange seasoning and garlic powder to this. The reason why we're adding it to the flour and the cornstarch is to just give our wings an extra flavor, coating of flavor. So we're just going to mix this in. Like this. So now we're just letting our oil heat up a bit. We're just going to give it around 10 more minutes, and then we'll come. This is about 1.5 cups of oil. So as I said before, we're just going to let this heat up around 10 more minutes, and then we're going to come back. So now it's that time to fry our wings. So we're going to do our 3 steps. Pick up the wings, flour, then pan. Ready? Let's go. So let's go. Turn them off a bit. And then you're going to just turn it in the flour like this. Don't worry if you make a mess. You can always wash your hands when you're finished. Just like this. So you're going to shake off the excess flour and put it on the tray. And repeat the process. There you go. And just shake off the excess flour, put it on the tray. Okay? So guys, now that we've floured all our wings, we're going to put them in our pot. Let's go. So now it's that time to add our wings to our pot, like this. You can add as much wings as you want, as long as you have the space for them. I'm going to just turn them over like this. Let's give them a flip. Flip them, flip them. So guys, this is how we want our chicken wings to look. And this is the reason why we mix the orange seasoning and the paprika together. So guys, now we're going to make our sauce. And we are going to go in with our first ingredient, and this is the ketchup. Remember to put your stove on medium heat so you don't burn the sauce. Now we are going to add our brown syrup. Sweet chili sauce to give it a little kick. And now we're going to add our red label and our rum to the mixture. We're going to go in about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. We're going to give that a little mix. We're going to let this come to a little boil. So we're just going to leave this for about 10 minutes and then we're going to come back. You can continue to stir this, and it's best if you use a non-stick pot, guys. It gives the best results. Guys, I can smell the rum and the wine. Smells wonderful, guys. So we're just going to give this 5 more minutes and then we come back. So guys, now that our sauce is ready, we can either do 2 things. We can dump the whole chicken wings in it, or we could just do them one by one. But I'm just going to dump the whole of them, all of them in it, and give it a mix. See that color coming together, guys? There you have it, guys, my Jamaican rum and wine wings. Comment down below if you tried it and like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.